Welcome back. While the president sat and listened, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments today on the push to end birthright citizenship from the administration. That's the right of anyone born here in the United States to automatically become a citizen.
And the president wants to eliminate that right for kids born to parents who are undocumented. Tonight, Karen Kaifa explains how a ruling could impact immigration law.
U.S. Solicitor General John Sauer making the Trump administration's case to the U.S. Supreme Court that the 14th Amendment of the Constitution was intended to grant citizenship to the children of freed slaves, not immigrants in the country illegally.
Unlike the newly freed slaves, those visitors lack direct and immediate allegiance to the United States.
The case stemming from a challenge to Trump's executive order signed in January 2025, restricting the right of people born in the U.S. to be U.S. citizens. It's since been blocked by lower courts. Trump made an unprecedented appearance at the court, a first for a sitting U.S. president, but left during plaintiff arguments made by Cecilia Wang, National Legal Director of the American Civil Liberties Union, who laid out what's potentially at stake.
Thousands of American babies will immediately lose their citizenship. And if you credit the government's theory, the citizenship of millions of Americans, past, present, and future, could be called into question.
Chief Justice John Roberts pressed Sauer on what he described as quirky arguments, leaning on narrow exceptions to exclude a much larger group from birthright citizenship.
And then you expand it to the whole class of illegal aliens are here in the country. I'm not quite sure how you can get to that big group from such tiny and sort of idiosyncratic examples.
Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson expressed skepticism about the government's practical implementation.
How does this work? Are you suggesting that when a baby is born, people have to have documents, present documents? Is this happening in the delivery room?
Sauer said that parents would have the opportunity to dispute denials of their children's citizenship. In Washington, I'm Karen Kaifa.